Hi, this is Johan from Ganister. Today is a very quick video about custom methods. So quite technical, but very small video. I actually just recorded a video about data import. If you go on our channel, you will see how we import data with Excel. But I'm using the same database or an instance for this presentation. So here, what I want to demonstrate is how easy it is to generate a little bit of custom logic when you run a lifecycle promotion. So if we look at this lifecycle, it doesn't look great. I think it didn't get organized. So I will rearrange the states. So let's go here, data model. We look for customer. If you don't find your node type here, you can still find it here. Okay, customer. In lifecycle, business flow, and here you see that it doesn't look great. So draft, we start with draft, review, confirmed, for example. And we want to make sure that there's someone assigned for each state. Okay. So what I want to do is change a value when it goes from review to confirmed, just to give more information to the user. It's mainly a technical presentation, so maybe it doesn't have a real use, but you will see how it works. So let's say that we are in Ganister. I'm using this customer here, and I want to set it to review. So I double click and I say, okay. We didn't define an owner for the target state. So let's go back here. Data model, customer, lifecycle, here. There's none here, customer here, and also we want someone responsible here. Okay, so let's get back here. So we say, okay, it was promoted, confirmed, it's promoted, draft. Okay, so simple lifecycle where there's actually no revision on this node. This is a customer, so we don't want to mess things up with a revisioning scheme for customers. We just want to define different states and allow users to move from one state to another. So what we would want to have is some sort of logic between review and confirmed. So the first thing I will do, and before I do this, I wanted to show also what we've added and would be available for version 2.3 of Ganister is if you go here, and I think it was customer 3. Yeah, I don't remember. So just say promotion to review, and it is in review. And actually I'll change the color of the state so it's easier to read. So you can now, from a listing, so from the main list here, and also from a related object tab. So if you're in a node and there's a tab that lists customers, you will be able to do a right click, promotion, and send it to draft or confirmed. And the validity of your promotion will depend on your permission. So it will still be displayed, but depending on your right, it will fail or succeed. But that's not the point here. What we want is go to gconfig and add some sort of logic for this. Okay, so let's say that we want, let me get back here, customer. We want to change, let's add a description. Or, yeah, description here. And we'll add it to the form also. Here, description. Description. 3, 4, let's say 5 here. And so we will add an information in description. So we can create a method and add release or confirmed info. So this method will be run on before the promotion. So whatever data you set to this node will be saved during the promotion. So if we say data.properties.description equals confirmed pretty easy, right? So it's called add confirmed info. And then you can just go back to the data model. I'm going a bit fast here. It doesn't have time to load. Customer. Yeah, I've got a bit. So it's back here. Data model. Customer. Lifecycle. And from review to confirm, I want to add a method called add confirmed info before the transition. So I could also pass params. This is useful when you have one generic method and potentially from one transition to another you want to pass a different information, but the logic behind is or after is the same, but it's just some data. You can pass params, so you don't have to write like many times almost the same method. And that's it. So if I go back here, so review confirmed. There's one more thing I wanted to do so it's easier to read. I wanted to change the color. I'm sure we will demonstrate this in other videos, but here we'll say draft is primary, color review is warning, is orange, confirm is green, success. Okay. So now we have these colors, and let's say review goes to confirmed, okay. And so I'm not showing the description. So here is the description now. So if I go here and I say, so we have description too, okay, and okay, and then this is setup. So it could be any, I've just entered a predefined text, but it could be anything that you're creating. You could add a date, you could have some information from another system, you could run like a REST query to another system to get some information. But you see, this is very easy to set up, to connect the method to the event. And this is pretty nice. And now that we can have this info directly within the grid when you promote the node, it's even nicer. So okay for review and to confirm, okay, and this is added. That's all for this tech video. The goal was mainly to show another way to add some custom methods to the application through the use of the lifecycle trigger. So whenever there is a promotion, you can trigger some specific logic to adapt to your own business. Thank you for following our videos, and see you soon.